Right, okay then, so we're going to fit some top quality chrome spotlights to the BSA Goldstar, and I'm going to do that by attaching them to the dresser bars using some fairly cheap, readily accessible brackets. Now stick around because shortly I'm going to be showing you how to establish what sort of automotive wiring you need to connect these spotlights up. A very straightforward calculation to establish what amperage of wire you require, but it is important, so coming up very soon that. But as you can see here, we are fitting spotlight to the right hand side and the left hand side using some fairly standard brackets. I believe I got these off of eBay, cost about 5-6 quid, something like that. Bit awkward to get to the Allen bolts there with the exhaust being in the way, and I ended up tightening up using the short end of an Allen key there. Right, now offering up the right hand side spotlight just to get the positioning right, making sure it isn't angled up too much so as to cause dazzle. Just get the positioning right there, and then it's a matter of tightening up the bolt at the bottom, the nut at the bottom rather, of course depending upon what sort of spotlights you're fitting. And similarly on the left hand side of the bike, the left hand dresser bar, again fitting the bracket and then getting the positioning of the spotlight correct once it's all tightened up. Okay, now to the wiring. So I'm going to connect these up to the Heeltech Thunderbox, but I'm going to need to extend the wiring considerably, and I'm going to do that by using some bullet connectors to extend the positive and negative wires from the spotlight. Right, so let's stop there and work out what amperage of wire we require to connect up these spotlights. Very important this, that you get the correct wire to bear the necessary current. Now then, so what's the current, what's the draw going to be with these spotlights? Well, cast your mind back to your physics classes at school and you may remember this simple equation. So we know that watts equals volts times amps, but we need to know the amps, the current for the wiring. So basic algebra, if watts equals amps times volts, then amps equals watts divided by volts. So these spotlights are 60 watt spotlights, and we know we've got a 12 volt system on the bike. So we get 60 divided by 12, which gives us 5 amps minimum. 5 amps minimum. But I'm going to use 8 amp wiring because it's always very good practice to go slightly above the minimum requirement just to be on the safe side. So 8 amp wiring it is. Yeah, so as I said, I'm going to connect the extending wires up by some electrical bullet connectors, which are short of soldering, and heat sleeving is probably the best way to connect and extend electrical wiring on your motorcycle. So yeah, let's extend the positive and negative wires from the right hand side lamp first. Now 8 amp wise, I only had a green wire and a blue wire, not black and red, which would have been desirable, but we've got to work with what we've got. And in any case, the positive wire on the Heeltech Thunderbox is actually green, not red, so we shouldn't get confused here. So green positive, blue negative. Now here I'm going to bind the whole length of the extension pieces together with insulating tape. In due course I will be using proper electrical sleeving. And right, finally connecting the wiring up to the terminal blocks on the Heeltech Thunderbox so that the lights come on as soon as the engine is up and running. Same process for each side of the bike, and you can either wire into separate terminals or into the same terminal. The left and right hand spotlight I've wired separately at this point, but it doesn't really matter because obviously you want them both to come on together. Right, hope that was of some interest to you. If it was, please would you click a like and subscribe to the channel if you aren't already subscribed. It really does help me in producing more of this content. And with that, I'll wish you safe riding. Bit of an extra video of this. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Oh, I'll see you.